ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோடய வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதுங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். லைக், ஷேர் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. உங்களுடைய ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எனக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்கும். Children, let us recap the part 1 video. In the last video, we have discussed about the timeline chart of world civilization, then timeline chart of Indus civilization, that is from 3300 to 1900 BCE. Discovery of last city Harappa. See the map. Why did people settle near river valleys? How do archaeologists explore a lost city? This is radiocarbon dating. Remote sensing method. Features of Harappan civilization, their town planning method. See the streets and houses, drainage system, great bath, great granary, assembly hall. Hello viewers, today we are going to see the rest of the topics in the Indus Valley civilization, trade and transport. Harappans were great traders. They used standardized weight and measures, and also they used sticks with marks to measure the length. They used carts with spokeless solid wheels, that is, they used the wheels without spoke for riding. There is evidence for extensive maritime trade with Mesopotamia. Maritime means sea trade with Mesopotamia. Indus seals have been found as far as Mesopotamia, which are the modern place of Iraq, Kuwait and the parts of Syria. So from this we came to the conclusion that they had a maritime trade with Mesopotamia. King Naram Sin of Akkadian Empire has written about buying jewelry from the land of Melucca. Melucca, a region of Indus Valley. Cylindrical seals similar to those found in Persian Gulf and Mesopotamia have also been found in the Indus area. This shows the trading links between these two areas. A naval dockyard. Dockyard means a place to build or repair ships. Has been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. It shows the maritime activity of the Indus people. Dockyard at Lothal. See the image? Lothal is situated on the banks of a tributary of Sabarmati river in Gujarat. Leader in Mohenjo-daro. A sculpture of a seated male has been unearthed in a building with a headband on the forehead. See the image? There is a headband on the forehead and a smaller ornament on the right upper arm. His hair is carefully combed and beard was trimmed. Two holes beneath the ears suggest that the head ornament might have been attached till the ear. The left shoulder is covered with a shawl-like garment decorated with the designs of flowers and rings. This shawl pattern is used by people even today in those areas. Technology. Indus people had developed a system of standardized weight and measures. Ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat is 1704 mm, the smallest division ever recorded on a scale of other contemporary civilization. That is, none of the civilization had used this smallest division. This little statue was found at Mohenjo-daro. When Sir John Marshall saw the statuette known as Dancing Girl, he said, "When I first saw them, I found it difficult to believe that they were prehistoric modeling. Such as this was unknown in the ancient world up to the age of Greece. I thought that these figures had found their way into levels some 3000 years old to which they properly belong." KVT, that is Kurkai, Vanji and Tondi, spread over Afghanistan and Pakistan as many places. Names of those were mentioned in Sangam literature. So we have heard these three names in our Sangam literature, and these names of places were also mentioned in Pakistan and Afghanistan. Kurkai, Vanji, Tondi, Matrei, Urai and Kudalgar are the names of places in Pakistan. Gurke and Pumbugar in Afghanistan are related to the cities and ports mentioned in the Sangam age. The names of the river Kauri and Poruns in Afghanistan and the rivers of Kauriwala and Porunai in Pakistan also occur in the Sangam literature. See in the map the places in Pakistan. See near river Indus, Matrei, Kaveriwala and Kurkai. See in the border of Afghanistan, Gorkhe, Pumbugar, Kavri, Seran. See in the border of Iran, Kurunji, Urai. See in the border of Mohenjo-daro, Wanji. So these are the places in Pakistan and Afghanistan also mentioned in the Sangam literature. Do you know the hidden treasures of the Indus civilization? Inscription, that is engraved in rocks or temple walls. Inscription can provide us information about customs. Customs means vazhakam, practices and other aspects of any place or time. So far, the Indus script has not been deciphered. Deciphered means not yet discovered. So, we must look for other clues to know about the Indus people and their lifestyle. Apparel. Apparel is nothing but their clothes. Cotton fabrics were in common use. Clay spindles unearthed suggest that yarn was spun. Wool was also used in those days. Love and peace. Settlements were built on giant platforms and elevated grounds. The Indus civilization seems to have been a peaceful one. Few weapons were found and there is no evidence of an army. They displayed their status by owning garments and precious jewelry. They had an advanced civic sense. Ornaments. Ornaments were popular among men and women. They decorated themselves with necklaces, armlets, bangles, finger rings, ear studs, and anklets. The ornaments were made of gold, silver, ivory, shell, copper, terracotta, and precious stones. Iron was unknown to the people of Indus. Indus people used the red quartz stone called carnelian to design jewelry. See the image? Red quartz stone. Copper was the first metal discovered and used by humans in those days. Governed them. Historians believe that there existed a central authority. Authority means power to rule, that controlled planning of towns and overseas trade, maintenance of drainage, and peace in the city. Let us see their occupation. The main occupation of the Indus civilization people is not known. However, they had a knowledge of agriculture, handicrafts, pottery making, jewelry making, weaving, carpentry, and trading. There were merchants, traders, and artisans. Rearing of cattle was another occupation. People of those times knew how to use the potter's wheel. So, with the help of the potter's wheel, they made potteries. They reared domesticated animals like dog, goat, cow, hen, etc. Pottery. Pottery was practiced using the potter's wheel. It was well fired. Potteries were red in color with beautiful designs in black, so they decorated the pots with colors. The broken pieces of pottery have animal figures and geometric design on it, so they decorated as well as they designed the potteries. Religious belief. We don't have any evidence relating to the specific deity they worshipped or their religious practices followed. Based upon the excavation of several female figurines, we came to the conclusion that they might have been worshipped the mother goddess, which symbolized fertility. See the statue? Culture. Toys like carts, cows with movable heads and limbs, clay balls, tiny doll, a small clay monkey, terracotta squirrels eating a nut. Terracotta means hard, fired clay, brownish red in color. Clay dogs and male dancer have been found. They made various types of toys using terracotta. So, using this terracotta, that is baked clay, they made many toys, which shows that they enjoyed playing. See the picture? What happened to Harappans? By 1900 BCE, the Harappan culture had started declining. It is assumed that the civilization met with repeated floods, ecological changes, that is environmental changes, invasions, padayaduppu, natural calamity, climatic changes, deforestation, that is cutting of trees, and epidemic, that is diseases. So these are the reasons for the decline of Harappan culture. Do you know archaeological site at Mohenjo-daro has been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO? Give abbreviation for UNESCO. United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. Radiocarbon dating method, a standard tool for archaeologists, also known as C14 method. The radiocarbon method uses the radioactive isotope of carbon called C14 to determine the age of an object. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be helpful for your competitive exam.